There is no alternative to being good, but it would be better to be the best. The best can't be achieved without understanding the society and impending social changes. Taking these changing needs of the society into consideration, Rajasthani Sammelan has created a fascinating educational facility in the heart of Western Mumbai, the Maina Devi Bajaj International School at Malad. The smile of the child is an ultimate reward in any society. Obviously, a lot can happen before a child smiles. It is even more difficult to retain that smile as the child starts growing, especially so in the rapidly changing world. MBIS is the school to study and grow. MBIS is authorized by two internationally recognized reputed educational organizations, CIE and IB. These programs nurture the child's potential from nursery to grade 5. Students of middle school are prepared for the checkpoint exams of the CIE in grade 8. IGCSE stands for the International General Certificate of Secondary Education. This program is accredited by the Cambridge International Examinations at UK. The crowning glory of the school is the IB Diploma program in grades 11 and 12, equivalent to HSC ISC of the Indian boards. IB stands for International Baccalaureate, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Accordingly, at MBIS, the emphasis is on empowering the students to create their own ecosystem for inquiring, gathering data, observing it, analyzing it, and then applying it to real-life situations. With this methodology, the child becomes a self-learner and a lifelong learner. At MBIS, children are encouraged to be inquirers, explorers, connectors, solution providers. In the process, ensuring that they are trained to connect knowledge to everyday life of an individual as well as of the community. As such, the child starts becoming independent and confident at a very early age, with informed awareness of the totality around it. Listen to the observation of a parent.
After visiting few schools including MBIS, I realized that the staff and the management here is extremely approachable and they are very excited about the work that they are doing. My daughter, who is in junior KG right now, physically she's become very strong and confident when she's running around, playing, walking. Intellectually, the best thing distinctly that I have found is whatever is taught to her in school, she literally relates it directly to whatever happens around her in her surroundings.
Teaching a child is far more challenging than teaching a grown-up person, because every concept which the child is trying to learn and understand is being introduced for the first time along with the concept of learning itself. It requires proven strategy, thoughtful content, and specially trained teachers with exceptional patience and perseverance. Untiringly, teachers assist children in realizing their own vision. The knowledge acquired by the child is not just by way of memorization or by way of rote learning, but by way of the process of self-discovery. This knowledge lasts forever. How do MBIS teachers perceive CIE and IB?
Innovative,
Persuasion, structured,
Idea.
Methodology,
hard work,
future-oriented, challenging, playful,
liberal,
hip,
intrusive, international.
Friendly.
relevant.
In reality, IB and CIE education could be all the above and much more. Listen to a teacher teaching French in a unique way.
So I would just pick up a French song for them. So it's like music, so they are enjoying the class. They are learning new vocabulary because the words, the lyrics are the new words for them. And then they have a comprehension or something where they have to pick up and answer what they have understood. So it's a playway method and they learn, they enjoy.
The basic premise of IB education is structured around a hexagon. They are studies in language and literature, language acquisition, individuals and societies, experimental sciences, mathematics and computer science, the arts. At the center of the hexagon are the three core requirements: the TOK, the extended essay, and CAS. IB and CIE are innovative in terms of their delivery, the way the content is taught. MBIS, with the two internationally proven educational programs, travels an extra mile to initiate a process which empowers the child, supports the child realize its true potential, and lead the community in any area of life all across the globe. MBIS invites you to bequeath a unique gift of an international education with an Indian ethos to your child. The gift that will not be limited to a birthday or a particular age, but will help you to make your child a successful, sensitized citizen of the 21st century.
MBIS, my international school.